Minute catchy hook script. The Hyundai Palisade quickly became a favorite among families for its space, comfort, and unbeatable value. Now in 2026, the second generation takes things to a whole new level. Sharper looks, smarter tech, and more refined luxury. But is it still the best family SUV for your money? Let's dive in. Hey, welcome back. I'm your host, and this is our channel where we bring you the latest car reviews and concept render. Before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. First, let's talk about the exterior. Boldness seems to be the name of the game here. Gone is the conservative look of the previous model, replaced by a larger, more commanding grille flanked by sleek LED headlights. This front fascia gives the Palisade a predatory look that says, I mean business. The sculpted lines along the hood add to the dynamism and indicate an eagerness to devour miles. As you move along the vehicle, you'll notice the longer and wider stance, giving the SUV a planted look that speaks of stability and strength. The rear of the Palisade is equally striking. Redesigned taillights stretch horizontally across the rear end, giving it a wider appearance. The tailgate now opens to reveal a neatly organized cargo area with clever storage solutions, including a hidden storage under the floor, perfect for keeping valuables out of sight. Hyundai designers have outdone themselves here, creating a vehicle that not only meets, but exceeds expectations. The Palisade no longer feels like a mid-size SUV. It's matured into a full-size luxury cruiser with presence to spare. Okay? So what's powering this beast? In typical Hyundai fashion, you have the choice between two power. You can stick with a tried and tested 3.8-liter V6 engine, which produces around 291 horsepower. This engine is known for its reliability and offers a smooth driving experience. If you're considering the Palisade for its versatility, this engine paired with the available all-wheel drive is an excellent choice, especially if you plan on doing some light off. However, if fuel efficiency is a priority for you, there's a new hybrid variant available. Stepping inside the 2026 Hyundai Palisade reveals a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. The interior design reflects a clear evolution from the previous model. Hyundai has upgraded the materials and added features that enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the overall driving experience. One of the standout features of the Palisade's interior is the available panoramic sunroof. This sunroof dramatically increases the sense of space within the cabin, making it feel more open and airy. Whether you're seated in the first, second, or even the third row, the sunroof allows natural light to flood in, creating a more inviting atmosphere. The seats in the Palisade are not just comfortable, they're a testament to the attention to detail that Hyundai has paid to this vehicle's design. Available ventilated and heated options for the first and second rows ensure that every passenger can find the perfect temperature for their comforts. And when it comes to the quality of the materials used, Hyundai hasn't cut any corners. Premium leather seating elevates the interior to a level of sophistication often associated with luxury vehicles. Speaking of luxury, let's talk about the infotainment system. The 2026 Palisade features a new 14-inch curved display that acts as the centerpiece of the interior. This display houses the infotainment system, which is intuitive and responsive. Wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto are standard, meaning you can use your favorite navigation apps and streaming services without the need for cords. Hyundai's commitment to making the driving experience as seamless as possible extends to the driver display as well. The 2026 Palisade offers a fully digital driver cockpit, providing a crisp and clear display of essential driving information. Customizable gauge clusters allow you to tailor the information you see to your preferences. Furthermore, with the available head-up display, you can keep your eyes on the road while monitoring critical details such as speed and navigation. Hyundai's SmartSense suite of driver assistance features adds another layer of convenience and safety to the driving experience. Adaptive cruise control ensures a comfortable ride by automatically adjusting the vehicle's speed to match the flow of traffic. Highway Driving Assist provides additional support during long drives, reducing driver fatigue. And features like Remote Smart Parking Assist make parking a breeze by allowing you to park the vehicle remotely using a key. FOB! Safety was a top priority during the redesign of the 2026 Palisade, along with the noticeable enhancements in the front and rear. The revised side profile incorporates a new side impact absorbing structure. This crucial safety feature is strategically placed within the body of the vehicle, protecting the occupant's compartment and enhancing overall structural rigidity. Additionally, Hyundai has equipped the Palisade with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. These features include lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross, traffic alert, and safe exit assist. Such features are instrumental in mitigating potential accidents and providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The spaciousness of the Palisade is one of its most compelling features. The third row of seating is now significantly roomier, addressing a common concern with the previous model. With the third row seats in place, you'll find ample leg and headroom for adults, making long journeys more comfortable. When the third row seats are folded down, the Palisade transforms into a cargo carrying champion, boasting an impressive 18 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and an astonishing 45.8 cubic feet with the second row. This versatility makes the Palisade ideal for families who need to transport both passengers and cargo with ease. Moving to the third row in the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, you'll immediately notice the significant improvements. Despite the vehicle's overall length staying roughly the same, Hyundai has managed to create more space in the third row than before. This transformation has been achieved by optimizing the layout of the second and third rows, giving you approximately 40% more legroom and 18% more headroom. In addition, the second row seats now recline further and offer more cushioning, enhancing the comfort for passengers. Moreover, the Palisade features a hands-free sliding second row seat, a power-assisted function that allows the seat to move forward and backward effortlessly. This innovative feature is activated by a switch in the third row, making it convenient for passengers to adjust the seating arrangement. Overall, the 2026 Palisade stands out as a beacon of versatility, offering something for everyone. Whether you're seeking power, fuel efficiency, luxury, or sheer comfort, this SUV delivers starting around $39,000 and stretching to about $55,000 fully loaded. The Palisade continues to offer an exceptional value proposition, undercutting many of its luxury rivals while providing comparable space and technology. In essence, the Palisade isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of refined taste, practicality, and sophistication, making it an enticing choice for a wide spectrum of drivers. So would you choose the new Palisade over rivals like the Telluride or Highlander? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, drive safe!